Busy.
Look how much darker Josh is.
Oh, yeah, Josh, let's go.
Focusing this thing. I'm perfect.
Come on, Josh, this is so suspenseful.
I could be like a video person when I'm older.
Yeah.
Like I'm recording people.
I actually don't really mind. I actually kind of like taking pictures.
Yeah, but it's like a boring job.
Well, mostly if it's myself. I'm just kidding.
You're not because I'm so sexy. I put this on video.
Oh my god. Yes, you got this.
He's even on the score, that's what I did.
Oh. God.
It's the first period.
Dude, look, he's getting 6-1 though.
Trying to throw him. Oh, really?
Maybe you don't like this guy. So look, the other guy's on his back too.
8-1. Jeez, this kid's good. Well, Josh is probably better, just he's in a bad one right now.
I don't know, this guy.
You know, because Josh is like really good.
Josh is good. I just think this guy makes it better.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
I really don't like filming losses.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he wants to post this one on Facebook.
Well, he's gonna have to watch it whether he likes it or not. You have to learn from your mistakes. That's the point of videotaping.
What?
Learning it from your mistakes.
Yeah. Let's post it on Facebook anyway.
I know.
He's zooming on his balls. That's what I just did.
Alright, get ready for some Corbin Rage.